In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move photos from Google Drive to Google Photos. By the end, you'll confidently bring pictures stored in Drive into your Google Photos library so they're easier to browse, edit, and share. Start by opening photos.google.com in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. It helps to glance at the profile picture in the top right corner to confirm. Remember that anything you upload into Google Photos counts toward your Google storage, just like files in Drive, so having a little free space available will make the process smoother. At the top of Google Photos, click the plus icon. Depending on your screen size, it may say Create or have an upload arrow. This opens the menu where you can bring new items into your library. Think of this as the starting point for adding content from different places, and in our case, that place is Google Drive. From the menu, choose Google Drive. This tells Google Photos you want to import from files already stored in your drive. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check that the drive you're accessing matches the Photos account you're currently signed into. If you don't immediately see the Drive option, try expanding the window or closing any filters so the full menu is visible. In the Drive picker that appears, select My Drive. This takes you to your personal Drive folders. You can navigate just like you would in Drive. Open folders, scroll through items, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a file name. Sticking to My Drive ensures you're browsing your own files rather than shared locations that may have restricted permissions. Click the photo you want to move into Google Photos. You'll see it highlight when it's selected. If you're bringing in more than one, you can hold Control or Command and click Additional Photos, or use Shift to select a range. Choosing only the items you want will help avoid duplicates and keep your photos library tidy. Finally, click Upload. You'll see a brief progress indicator as Google Photos imports the selected file or files. This action creates a copy in Google Photos. The original remains in Drive, so nothing is deleted. After the upload completes, your photos will appear in Google Photos, typically at the top of Recents. Most common formats, including JPEG and many videos, import with their metadata, so dates and locations usually carry over. If an item can't be uploaded, check its file type or your storage space, then try again. That's it. Your Drive photos are now in Google Photos, ready to organize, edit, and share.